You do alignment when you don't have an alignment rack. I got a trick. This is a very extremely sophisticated piece of equipment. This is a plain old level, and this is a digital angle meter. You can easily use this to figure what your camber is. And you can build it yourself, keep it in your toolbox. So there's an easy trick for the track to check camber. And as far as caster, well, we talked about that before. You put all the caster it'll take, so you don't have to worry about checking caster. And then I believe it's Longacre that might have things called toe plates that kind of go on the outside of the tires, and you can check your toe. It's not super precise, but it's better than nothing.